finally fall and the air is so crisp and great, and all I could think about was decorating my front door. I have dreamed about this for months, deciding what am I gonna do? I want to do something different. So I started out by going to the local harvest festival to get some inspiration, and I found some of this. After the festival, we decided to go on a muscadine pick. But it was not really what I was looking for. I wanted to go full-on cottagecore. So I did want to get some flowers from my local grocery, and that was kind of a disaster. Anyway, I gave up on all the commercial stuff. It's not just a money thing, it's an aesthetic thing. And I thought, you know, I have got tons of plants and flowers and every beautiful thing growing at Abilene Cottage, and I thought, why would I go and spend money? Let me think about how they would have done it in an actual English cottage, maybe, you know, several hundred years ago. How would they have decorated? They wouldn't have had, you know, the silk flowers and the silk leaves and all this. So I thought, let me go hunt and see what I can find and see if I can do a door decor that is 100% natural. Well, here's where we started. So I started with the grapevines because they are plentiful and need cut back very badly anywhere. I did buy some floral wire, and that is the only cheating that I did. As I was wrapping the grapevine, a funny thing happened, like some loose pieces came out, and I thought, oh, I like that, this is different. And so here is kind of my process.